Over 2 million teens run away from home each year. Abuse, parental drinking, or drug use, divorce, and even the arrival of a new child are just a few reasons for them to run away. You might be too mad after another huge fight to even care where they go. But look at it this way. Approximately 2,300 children go missing every day in the US, and your child could easily be one of them. That's why you need reliable tracking methods to always know where they are. Before we continue, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any videos. So, the first method I personally like the most is monitoring through Eyezy. It goes far beyond simple GPS tracking, but more on this a little later. Now, let's see how it works. Go to Eyezy.com and choose a subscription plan. Open the welcome email with your credentials and installation instructions. Install Eyezy on your kid's iPhone. Go to the pinpoint tab in your control panel and find your daughter's location. You can also set safe and dangerous zones. Eyezy will notify you if your kid crosses them. If installing an app isn't an option, Apple has everything covered with a built-in feature. Yes, I'm talking about iCloud. I hope that despite the fight, you know your child well enough, so it won't be a problem to guess their iCloud credentials. If you know them, just do this. Log into your daughter's or son's iCloud account. Click Find My iPhone. Open all devices and select iPhone. View their location on the map. Seems like a great method to track your daughter's phone, except for one little thing. You'll need a 6-digit code to authorize your device, which will be sent to your child's iPhone. Not so good now, huh? Let's see what else we have. Right, tracking by IMEI number. First, you need to find it on the back of the phone or on the SIM tray. Now, choose an IMEI tracker in the App Store and install it on your phone. Follow the installation instructions. Paste the IMEI number. Tap Track to see your kid's location. And our cherry on the cake is tracking by phone number. And you don't even need to install an app. Just go to scenario.io and buy a subscription. Type in your kid's phone number. Write a custom message or leave it as is. The message with the location sharing request will be sent to your kid's phone. Wait for them to open the message and agree to share the location. Now you know 3 methods to find your kid's location. But when it comes to their safety, you want to be sure you get the best of them. Tracking by phone or IMEI number is great when you need to find kids quickly, but it does only that. With iCloud, you can do a bit more like reviewing files, photos, passwords, etc. But it is still not as good as Eyezy. Location and social media tracking, app blocking, and keywords alerts. You can get all of it and so much more with Eyezy. Go to Eyezy.com and start exploring Eyezy's amazing features.